In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can download ChatGPT in your MacBook laptop just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to download ChatGPT app to your MacBook laptop, all you have to do, so first, if you don't have ChatGPT account, go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with ChatGPT. So all you have to do, just click on your profile picture, then click over here on download the Mac app, okay, like this, and click again on download, and the the ChatGPT app will be download to your MacBook laptop, and all you have to do is you just need to install it, and that's it. That's how you can download ChatGPT app to your MacBook laptop. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.